Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the 8-Ball Pool app on your mobile device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download from there. But as I'm using an iPhone device, I'm going to tap the App Store button, this blue button, in the middle of my home screen. And from there, press the search button on the bottom right. From there, go up to the top and start typing in 8-Ball Pool. Press search at the bottom right, and that's going to load a bunch of different listings. I always scroll past the first advertisement and go to the first organic listing right here, the 8-Ball Pool app, and on the right hand side there's a cloud icon for me with a downwards pointing arrow. That basically means that we've downloaded this app on this App Store account in the past, but maybe not necessarily this specific device, maybe on an iPad or a MacBook or something like that. So if you've never downloaded 8-Ball Pool before, there will be a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or press the cloud icon and it will start downloading the app on the device, and you can see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle. I'm going to come back once this app has fully downloaded. And from there, guys, we can see that the app has downloaded, and you want to press the open button from within the App Store on the top right. And that is going to launch the app for us. And we can basically press accept. It wants us to consent to use our personal data. I press agree, press allow. And from there, we have access to 8-Ball Pool. You can play with your friends, you can log in with Facebook, Apple, Miniclip, or you can play as a guest right there. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.